Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a car of the stars right here, 1982 Clenet. When these were built brand new in 1982, they had a price of $105,000. It's a whole list of celebrities, Sylvester Stallone, the list goes on and on of who owned these cars. This one in particular is supposed to have been owned by Jim McMahon. It was a gift from his wife when he won the Super Bowl for the Bears in 1985. It's listed in the registry. If you go to our website, that's where you can get all the specs and study all the pictures and get the price, not only on this car, but on a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale at volocars.com. You might be surprised at how affordable this car really is. But right now, how about I take you for a spin and tell you all about it. 1982 Clenet, it is a hand-built at a factory car. This is not a kit car that you put together yourself in your garage. This is a hand-built by craftsmen. This is number 135 out of 189 Series 2s that were made. I think they made about 500 and something Clenets all together. Read my description on the website and you'll get all the specifics. But look at the long sweeping fenders and the chrome pipes coming out each side. That long hood, you're sitting in that car, it's like it just never ends. Cut glass hood ornament. It has etched glass wing windows. It has Waterford crystal ashtrays in the car. So again, very high-end materials. This one has about 44,000 miles on it. So it's not pristine. It's a gorgeous car. Driving down the road, going to the country club, going out to dinner, it's going to be wonderful. It's going to be gorgeous. And I'll show you some of the imperfections. And it's all Ford. It's a 351, and I'll open the hood in a minute, but it's exactly as if Ford just put it in there. All the vacuum lines and wiring and air cleaner, it's Ford. It's not monkeyed with. It's not a bunch of parts out of catalogs that some guy put together. It's a Ford motor, air conditioning, alternator, the belts, everything is Ford. Same with the automatic transmission, the rear end, the brakes. So you can get this car serviced. There's nicks and chips, like up front here. This cover comes off, the battery's under there, and there are stone chips all around up here. It is one solid color, so you could get color matched and touch those up. Overall, the chrome is really nice. You see all the lamps and lights it has up here. This chrome's beautiful and has the wire mesh grill. These pipes go right through the fender. Very cool. Windshield does have a stone chip. No, it's actually from the inside, like the mirror might have come off and took a piece of glass off. This is etched. That's real nice. Has teak wood trim. Needs to be refinished. It doesn't need it, but to make it pristine, it could use that. Here's the plaque. This is car number 135. Here's a couple more little scratches in the paint. The wire wheels sparkle, but when you look at them, they are rusty in between the spokes. This one's rusty around the rim. You can buy new wheels, but I mean, they're going to sparkle. Got a nice pop-up chrome gas cap. Top's been down. We just put it up. It's a little dirty. It looks like it'll clean up, but there is a stain up on the top there. You can have an upholstery guy dye the top, but it's completely functional. There's no rips, no tears. This all looks really good. Obviously, it's a two-tone. They call that a scallop. It's got white welting between the fenders and the body. Open the hood for you. The strut rods on the hood and the trunk, they're worn out. You buy them right at the parts store. But in here, again, it's a 351 and it's completely Ford. Cruise control, everything is Ford. The radiator, the fan, the shroud. You actually use a key to lock the engine compartment. This side is pretty much same as the other side. It's very respectable, not monkeyed with. It's again, just like Ford did it, has a light. The interior, Connolly leather, just like a Rolls Royce. There's real plush carpet, has lamb's wool overlays. Now they're a little stained, a little bit worn. These are Recaro seats. We had the rear seat restuffed. The insulation in the rear seat disintegrated, so that's been restuffed, and the leather's real nice. One of these is a trunk release. It's all burl wood inside. Oh, I didn't hit the right button. Inside the convertible top has a liner like a Rolls Royce would. Usually you look up and you see the top irons. This has a liner inside. Has again, Waterford crystal ashtrays. Really unique shifter. It's a wood knob that pulls straight out of the dash. That's your shifter. Really nice. I don't know where they got this steering wheel. Leather wrapped 4-spoke wheel. Let me open up the trunk real quick so you can see it when it comes around. There we go. Same thing, the strut rod needs to be replaced. It's actually a really big, deep trunk. It's completely carpeted. Even the mechanisms are carpeted. The bottom of the trunk lid has upholstered inserts. So when it was built, again, a high-end car. They used this car, or one like it, on Dynasty and the TV show Dallas. 6-way power seats, cruise control, air condition, tilt wheel, full set of gauges. There's more gauges than I don't even know what they all are. There's so many gauges. Tachometer runs real well. I noticed the passenger power seat wasn't working, so you might have to fix some minor things, but this car has been drastically reduced. It is very affordable. It's, I think, half the price of my cheapest Camaro. Also, right here on this seat, the die is wore off from getting in and out. An upholstery guy can easily fix this welting, dye the seats, dye the top. So there's some little tinkering you can do to really bring it up to the next level. But I mean, do you really need to? This car has so much flash. Just driving this car down the road, you're going to feel special. I won't charge by the foot. This thing barely makes it around our turntable. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our staff. We can help answer any questions you have about the car, the process, delivery, financing. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.